Here's a parcel of small pieces of Boulder Opal. Most of them have got colour or pattern on them. Rules in millimetres. Material's being wetted to help bring out the colours. White, like you're seeing there, is the light reflecting. I'm just going a bit closer so you get a better look. Okay, I'm not going to go over every piece, but some of the larger pieces. Pipe going down the side there by the looks. As I said, some are better than others. This pattern pipe material. That'd be from Kuwait, that piece. Don't know where this has come from, but a lot of it looks like it's Kuwait. Or possibly Yara. Much in that piece. Matrix along the top there. Other fun pieces. I think you'll find that you end up with some good pieces amongst this. It's a small Yao nut. Possibly fossils. Nice patterns. A few small pieces like this, but that's still a little stone. Anyway, it's a bit of a mixed bag. There's a line through here of matrix material. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.